everyone. Hope all is well. I am blessed, and hope everyone is blessed today. I'm going to read my scripture. He is a rewarder to them that diligently seek him. Hebrews 11:16. Unto you that fears my name shall the Son of the righteous arise with the healing in his wing. Malachi 4:2. Unto you that fear my name shall Son of the righteous arise with the healing in his wing. Malachi 4:2. I'm just gonna kind of tidy up and dust a little bit. The leaves are coming in and it's gotten a little bit dusty today, this last few days. So I'm gonna dust a little bit and then I'm gonna vacuum. Just a little bit. It doesn't need a lot, but sometimes the trees are losing a little bit of it because we have some live garland, and there's kind of leaves a lot of the little pieces on the floor, so I'm going to try to be getting them up. And the dust comes in because we're right on the edge of the street, and so we get a little dusty every day. But it's not a lot that I'm going to do, just a little bit of dusting, a little bit. Get a little bit of the dust out, especially off the shelves. That's why shelves take up a lot of, you can see a lot of the dust that comes in on the white shelves. I got the bottom before I stayed at the top. Okay. Some of the items are cloth and you can't dust them out. So that's why you see me putting them back up. But the ones that's not cloth, I can dust them out for them. I can kind of shake it out the others, okay? You all. Okay. Hope all is having a good day today. Hope all is well. And hope you all are really getting ready for the holiday. We don't have but a few more days before it's going to be here on us. So, hope everyone has got all the plans in line and everything kind of lined it up and getting ready for it. So, these are what I'm telling you. These are live garland plants, garland vines that we have here. And so they're shedding quite a bit. Some of these things you can't even dust them out because they're catch the rag in between because of the material that they're made out of. So you really can't do too much with them. Some of the things that we have up here. And like I said, the garland is made out of, it's real pine. So that's what I'm having a problem with, the real pine on the floor. Even though I stored it up here, but I should have stored it at the bottom. But I've already got that side. So now I'm going to work over here to getting this side done. Of course, that one there is it's cloth also. So ain't too much you can do with that one. Set it up out in the fireplace. Okay, hello now. I was just doing a little bit refreshing in the living room area because that's where everybody comes in through the door, and we have leaves that blow in also. A little dust, and a lot of dust blows in because we're on the front of the street. So I just want to kind of get it out, touch this little touched up a little bit. So I thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy me cleaning this little video, and see you next time on Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is Miss Lena speaking. Goodbye, and I'm thank you all. I'm on my 41,000 subscribers as I reach it around about 1 o'clock this morning. I appreciate all of my supporters, and I appreciate everyone that's have been watching and helped me make the 41,000. I appreciate you all so much. I don't know what to do. I love you all one by one. Everybody has been so supportive. And I just can't say how much I love you, how much I appreciate all of you all. Keep looking at my videos. Come on in and subscribe, like, and comment. I need all the subscribers. I need all the likes I can get.
Yeah, please like. Likes are very important to looking at the ads. It's so important. It really helps Miss Lena YouTube channel. And it helps YouTube to push her videos out. So please, y'all, like the videos and look at the ads.
All right, and this is the hour 20.
Vlogmas Day 20.
Vlogmas Day. So we are trying to get the cleaning. We have missed a lot of the Vlogmas Day. So thank God that we are here today to make this one. And I hope you will enjoy it. So goodbye with all my love for my Miss Lena's little bit temporary cleaning a little bit. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.